To remove the cover, first remove the canopy by unhooking the elastic on either side. Push the button while lifting up to disconnect the canopy. Repeat on the other side. Lift up the canopy from both sides. Locate the buckle strap retainer on the bottom of the infant car seat and pull it away from the seat to loosen. Turn the buckle strap retainer so that the short side will go through the slot in the infant car seat shell and cover. Remove the comfort pads and belly pad. Detach the hook and loop fasteners from around the harness straps and remove the head restraint cover. Pull the Easy Remove cover tab to loosen the seat cover and pull the elastic bands around the carrier-only belt guides. Pull the cover from around the harness adjuster button and lift the seat cover away from the seat shell.